I'm going to work on the brim of the hat now. So turn your beanie inside out so that the wrong side or the other side is facing you. So we work on the brim of the hat. The first round will be a round of top chain or slip stitches. To do that, you take a piece of yarn. I'm choosing to use a contrasting yarn, but you can use any color you choose, contrasting or otherwise. And I'm leaving enough of a tail so that I can weave in and make the tail invisible later on. So to do this, to start, put your hook through. If you flip it over, you can see the V's. Can you see the V's? These little V's on the edge of the brim of the beanie. Just go through them and make a top chain or slip stitch through that. Okay. Go into the next one. You might want to catch the first couple, for the first couple of stitches, the part of the tail to stabilize it. Into the next stitch, another top chain. So you carry on doing this all the way around the brim. You can flip it over to see what you're doing if you like, and you can see that there's a row of V's and your hook is actually going through that V, catching the yarn, pulling it through, and then doing your top chain. Sorry if I'm moving out of the frame all the time, it's just a bit hard to get used to this little camera. So anyway, this is how you do it, and I'll do it all the way around and I'll come back and join you again. So see you then. Bye. Okay, I'm nearing the end of this round of top chain, so I'll just finish off this round. The next round will be a round of linked single crochet. So we'll finish this off now. To start the next round, just put the hook under the first stitch like this, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through. You've just done a single crochet. Now for the linked single crochet, to link it, put the yarn under the vertical bar and then into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through. For the next linked single crochet, look for the vertical bar here, into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, 3 on the hook, yarn over, pull through. Again, vertical bar, next stitch, through, through. One more, vertical bar, next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So this is what the linked single crochet is looking like, and on the other side it looks like this. So I will catch you at the end of this round. Okay, I've come to the end of this round of linked single crochet. The next round will be the last round. So we will join to the start and begin the next round. We will be doing a twisted single crochet. Ending it off, one loop into the same stitch. A single crochet will be just this and pull through, but we're doing a twisted one, so I have to pull back so you can see this. Okay, like this, and twist your hook around, pull through. It's just like a single crochet but with a twist. So next stitch and twist. Just like a single crochet but twist your hook around. I'll do it 1 or 2 more times in case you're not familiar with this stitch. Like a single crochet, but you twist your little hook around and you pull through. Just like a single crochet, but twist around. One more. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like on the other side. Okay, I'll just come back and show you the final look when it's done. When this row is done. Okay, see you then. Okay, hello, I'm back. We've got to the end of this round of twisted single crochets. I've got a few more stitches to do, so I'll do them again just in case the earlier ones showed as if it was a difficult stitch. It isn't. It's quite an easy stitch, but I make it look cumbersome because I've got this camera right on top of my hands and it's just cumbersome. So anyway, this is how we do it again, and then we just twist and go through. The whole little hook goes twist around, and then you pull through. I wonder if I zoom out, you'll see it better. The last one. Just 1 second, I'm got tangled here and I don't have enough yarn. Okay, the last one, and just twist around, and that's it. And I'll just show you how I finish off here. I cut myself the tail end of the yarn, snip, put it through a tapestry needle. Just give me a moment here. Use one of these little handy gadgets. Oops, I meant to pull it out first. So you finish that and then you cut and pull out the yarn. Then you do the tapestry needle. Alright, like this. Oh my goodness. Forgive me, forgive me, forgive me. This. Having an audience look at my work makes me all nervous. I got the wrong yarn. Okay, I did that to the ball of yarn that I have, the working yarn. Okay, now we end off and we try to emulate as much as possible so that it doesn't show that it's ending and it looks seamless. So it's going to look like this. So you have to fiddle around a little bit to get the look that you want. But this is pretty much it for me here. And then I'll just weave it in as per normal. And the other side looks like this. So that's it. We've done the brim. Bye bye.